Create Ionic Angular Capacitor application. We'll install the ngx-translate. Second installation ngx-translate. HTTP loader. In the asset folder we will create a new folder i18n for the files which stores the language information. So we will create for the English language n JSON, for Hindi hi.json, and for French father JSON. This file holds the two values title and descriptions, and we group it in under the site. We'll add similar for the Hindi and French. In the main TS file we need to add the providers, so make few imports here. Translate module, translate loader, HTTP client, HTTP module. We'll define here one function. First add the provider for the HTTP client module. We'll use here import provider from Next we'll add the provider for the translate module. And the loader details here. In the app.component TS we need to set the default language for the app. We also add here the list of the languages for our app. In the HTML we will take the common module as we want to use the ing for. Define one list for the languages we'll use to display it in the radio button list. In the HTML we will take the list of the radio buttons which display the names of the languages, so that on the click of the radio button we will change the app language. Let's check if it's working fine. Okay. Now we need to here add the onChange event, so that we will change the language of the app on the click. Define the event here. Before that again we import a translate module and the translate service. So in the components import we will add the translate model. It's a translate service. And we will say change here the language of the app as per the target value. Now another next step is to display whether the language is actually changed or not, so the variables declare in our JSON files we set on in the HTML. He said .title inside .description. So by default Hindi messages displayed here. Change the language. So it's working so accurately. Exchanging the language. Thank you.